Hi, I'm John Olson with Wood Magazine, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about our router box joint cutting jig. One of the nice things about our box joint cutting jig are the interchangeable fences that let you use any size bit you really have on hand or want to use. You simply cut a T-track slot in them, and then with the router bit you're using, cut the slot in and then fit the pin to exactly the size of that slot to create tight-fitting box joints. What I'd like to do today is show you how to set up the jig for the first time. Oftentimes these bits aren't the exact diameter that they claim to be, so the first thing you need to do when setting up your jig is actually take a test cut to find out what size pin you need to make. I have everything set up. I'm ready for my first cut. I've cut my groove, now I have to make my pin. I've milled a piece of hardwood to fit in the slot, tight but not too tightly. It'll press it in with hand pressure but not quite fall out. I've cut up one small piece that'll be the key in my fence, and then two longer pieces that'll be my gauge blocks for setting up the spacing for the next slot. I've also made a simple T-square fence. It does a couple things. First, it gives me repeatability every time I set up this box joint cutting jig. It registers off the side of my router table, so the next time I come to use this, I can quickly and easily set it up, get the right spacing, and be off and cutting. Here where we're setting up a fence for the first time, it gives me something to space the edge of my fence from. I simply stack two of my extra indexing pins and sandwich them between that space, and this gives me a precise location of where my second slot needs to be cut. I have my indexing pin glued in place. Now I can slide it onto my jig and again get the side flush. There. And now I'm ready to cut some test joints.